Perfect. All right, let's go back to cleaning up some code, shall we? Yeah. I know my video's live. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, there we go. Oh, you know what I should do? There. Save changes to that title. Beautiful. Okay. Back to cleaning up our code. I wonder what we'll be able to get it down to. So we had a lot of excess stuff in here that we just did not need. Okay, there's that. Did we already clean up flip? No, but we can because we already made a backup. There we go. I don't need to save that. Okay, so all of those functions have been cleaned up. Did I already clean up rainbow? Nope, I must have missed this one. Okay, that makes sense. We're already down 400 lines of code. Once I figure out this, I think we'll be good. Okay. I don't need any of this. Wait, why did I comment out auth key? It's kind of important. Did I put it in token call? I did. Yep, okay. Cool. So now, does anything reference auth key? No. Okay, so that's an old function button that we don't need anymore. Okay, cool. Let's work on cleaning this up because this is kind of ridiculous. How many different why did I name them all payload 10? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's awful. That's terrible. Why would I do that? That's so terrible. Okay, so this code's gonna be kind of annoying. All right, how many shades do we go? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we have around 6. How many times does it play? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times. All right, so that at least gives us a chance to. We're gonna start from the top. I'm telling you, once we cut this down, this is gonna be like another 400 lines that are just fixed. It's gonna be good. How many lines of code is rainbow? So rainbow by itself is 1,000 lines of code. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have 1. So 255, 150, 255. Oh wait, I don't have to scroll down like this. I can just do this. So again, 255, 150, 0, 255. Was that it? $250, $150, $0, $255. Okay, so here's where it loops. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different lines of code. And I name them all payload 10. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? This is so terrible. Okay, so we need to rename this one to be one, 2. Oh, this is going to be a giant pain in the neck. And it might actually be easier just to fix one and then copy paste that. 3, 4. 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Okay. So we have all this stuff. So the real question is, how many times did we repeat that? I think it was 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. That seems like a pretty good amount. All right, so let us now do some much needed trimming. Turn my headset down just a smidgen. Perfect. Classical music while programming is just the best. So once I clear up all these, I should be able to just copy paste the way I want. Okay, so now we have this chunk, which means that everything down here down to here is gone. Perfect. So now in theory, if we run our code again, get our token, perfect. We're doing great. This is turning out good. I wonder if I should define because in theory, if I defined payload as the await functions, oh, but then that's a data packet and not a function. But I could define await packet or await payload as those two variables, and since I call that so frequently, that might be worth it. You know? That could be worth it. Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. There we go. Canon, understanding your limits. Your mentality is pretty great. Awesome, thanks. Great stream yesterday, by the way. Just wanted to cut a specific moment where you talked about understanding limits. Your mentality is pretty great. You can bet I'll see you around more often. Okay, sorry, I just got messaged by... I joined a stream yesterday and I want to give away. Okay, so we did all that. So now I don't need to define the payloads anymore because I can just go like this. Okay, so we have payload 1, payload 2, I guess I just didn't copy that. Weird. So I do want the whole thing. Payload 2. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that what I want? That's still a lot of lines of code for no reason. Da, 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 da. Ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. The next ping will be a live ping. Interesting. Dude, what if we just went live on Twitch? That'd be something else. Okay, so I mean, this would work. It's not ideal. But we could just define within rainbow. So we could do define rainbow sequence as does that work? Local function rainbow sequence is not used. Yes, that's true. So we just do that. Is that referenced anywhere else? I don't think so. Okay, so in theory, and we're going to stop this again. We're going to save. So I have defined the sequence as this string. So I could, in theory, just do the however many lines it takes to define everything. And then instead of awaiting all this, I just await rain. I can type rainbow sequence. And I just do that, 5 times. Does that work? If so, I think I just saved myself a lot of space. Okay. Await JSON dumps payload 1 446. Oh, I have to define it as an asynchronous. And then async io dot get event loop dot run until complete rainbow sequence. Okay. How about now? So now in theory, I think we just saved ourselves a lot of time. No. Okay. Runtime error. And run until complete. The sequence is already running. Wouldn't that work? No. So that doesn't do anything. Hmm. This loop is already running, huh? So I can't just call this. What if I put this? This is just me thinking out loud here. What if I put this here? Does that fix my problem? I didn't mean to run debug mode. No. Just want to run this, get my auth token, allow. Rainbow. Nope. Still has. This event loop is already running. All right, obviously I don't understand asynchronous well. Because async IO. Let's see, async run until complete. All right, so what is this event loop? Async IO dot get event loop. Okay, got it. Create a new event loop. Running and stopping the loop. Loop dot run until complete. Loop dot run. Loop dot is running. Loop dot is closed. Okay, well, none of this is really helping me out. That's okay. There has to be a way. await outside asynchronous function. So I have to put this in an asynchronous function. So async def rainbow 2. Async with blah 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 as WebSocket. Okay. Get event loop run until complete. But I don't want it to run until complete. Oh wait, there's a way to do this, I think. What if I do color 1 equals await no wait, hold on, that doesn't make sense. So we can't have definitions as that. So that doesn't make sense. Oh, what is going on here? Google Senpai, you're our friend. If that isn't the truth, I don't know what is. Okay, so wait, why do I have RimWorld still open? What was that? Jeez. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. So we need to define await. Variable Python. Let's see if we can get this. Define get chat ID times sleep return chat name. Da, 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 da. Whatever. We can fix this later. We've already cut out like 1.5 bajillion lines of code, so. Oops. Cut that, not just outright delete it. Perfect. So now I can go like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. This should work. No errors so far. This is a good sign. Oh, whoops. Left a line of code in there that shouldn't be there. Did I? Did I destroy something? Oh wait, that doesn't receive. No. So we've defined payload 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is it not working? Very async WebSocket. Okay. Why is it not sending data? Hello? All the payloads are right. Angry, flip, reset, tints. Big, small, cat, define, center, rainbow. Okay. It dumps that, sends that. So why is that working, but not that? Let's try that again. Okay, so all of this stuff works. Center, spin. But the rainbow doesn't work. Is there something that I messed up? Some ID, colorant request. 1, 1, 2, 3. Await WebSocket dot send. I am so confused right now. Why is... What on earth? Wait, what's going on? I'm so confused. You have no idea how confused I am. Okay, why does that work? What am I missing? Everything else works. So rainbow we have da. Payload 1. Oh, I'm an idiot. Aha. Figured it out. I didn't have the authentication ping first. Oh my gosh. No wonder. That's so frustrating. Now it's gonna work. Watch. Yep, there it is. Of course it works now. Why wouldn't it work? Gosh, dang it. Whatever, we figured it out. So that just turned... It's still a lot more lines of code than I would like. But we are down... There goes literally 1,000 lines of code. It's gone. Okay, token call is kind of important. We don't need auth key. That's no longer important. This is in here, which we also no longer need. Let's see. We'll just put a comment here. Use this to open files. Open the JSON file. Okay, so now we have that there, so we don't need here. Startup check is important. We don't need this. We don't use SSL. We don't use socket. We don't use import, and we don't use this. Actually, hold on. We might want to save this. We might need that later. Okay. So now, and we don't need these. These are dead buttons. Okay. Well, all right. So it's about half the size it used to be. It's pretty good, actually. So now we have to keep this from happening. We need this to call. But I think one of our problems is that it's always getting stuck in a recursive loop, like Hikaru said. So I think that's our issue. All right, let's run it with all the changes. In theory, nothing should be a problem. Rango, angry. Flip, reset, big, small, center, spin, and swap. Excellent. Okay. So this all works just fine. So this is all good. But the problem happens when we enter this because it calls itself. So let's try some stuff. We're gonna save all this as backup 2. So what if I remove both of these? And did commands list root dot commands. Oh wait, what was the command? Root dot after. Okay. So we're gonna pull this out. Gonna delete this. We'll do commands list and then root dot after commands list. Name chat is not defined. So do I want to do, where is chat mentioned? Pi chat, chat. Okay, virtual chat's going to be here. Chat equals pi chat dot receive. So we made a global variable, but there's nothing in there at the moment. So this will run commands list once. Yeah, I'm aware that chat is not defined. But did that really fix it? So now if I do this, okay, okay. The GUI is way more responsive. Does chat work? Okay, so it's not calling it. Okay. So it runs when you run this. So it's saying if chat is live, for C in chat, get the items. So if chat is live, do this. And then okay, so if it's not live, I feel like getting it to run itself again though. So in its function, it calls itself There's got to be a way to do this, right? So if chat is live, do I even need it there? Maybe that was my problem. Because what if I just... just do that? Does that put it into a recursive loop? Does that work? Okay. So now if I put in the live stream ID, it's not super responsive. But it does work. There's like a little bit of a delay. Okay. All right, so this is more responsive. I think this works because now the code should be saying run all of this. And then after it's all done, run it again. So if we increase this just a little bit, it'll be slightly less responsive. But this should work just fine. Okay. Oh, we're already small. Big, small, center. Wait, why does center go big? Why does center go big? Center, center. Yeah, center goes to center. Why is center size minus 50 big, size minus 20? So wait, does this mean that, wait, I think there's a problem here. Oh, center really is just that. Okay. Interesting. So we're going to take the size out of center. And I think we'll actually have some good stuff. Okay, so none of the other avatars work. Okay. Okay. So all of this stuff works. Oh, headset's dying on me. Other headset that is. Rip. Rip. Ah! I'll have to get a new one soon. Nice and chill. I like it. Okay. So now I have token call. I'm going to generate token call. So now we have a few more things to figure out, and then I think we're actually in a really good spot. We can go ahead and release this to the public, I think. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to have a home function. So we want to, in here, we can add to the data we print what that does. So you want data home position equals oh, that's actually going to be difficult. Because for positions, so we have position X, position Y, and size. Size and rotation. So we have, there's got to be a way to just copy all that, right? But I need to store all of these as values. So we need X equals 0. Y equals 0. Now we need data. Rotation equals 0. And then last but not least, we want size. Minus 50. Excuse me, music. Thank you. Don't try and kick me out, you little jerk. Okay. So let's go here. Yes, sir. VTube Studio config. Oh, there is one. Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. We need to delete this. Get out of here. Okay, so generated. We have virtual chat, X, Y, rotation size. Okay, so this is all good. So now we will generate an authentication token. Got it. Which will let us, yep. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so that all works. Just had to double check, you know. All right, so that generates the code that I wanted. So now I'm gonna go get another thing of water and I'll be right back. What do you think about it? Right, bud? No. back. Okay, let's see here. What do we got? Whew. Why am I all squinty eye? I need to message someone on Twitter. Let's message Genta, because I don't have her on anything else. So doop doop doo wop. Wait, who am I getting notifications from? Oh, Raphael. There we go. Okay, so from Genta. All right, we're gonna send a message to Genta. See what she has to say. Because I genuinely think this is getting close. I just have a few more kinks to iron out, and it'd work. So the first thing I need to do is I need to create a home button, because I think that's going to be super important. That lets me get around not needing to like do that, you know? So, oh, the UI is still open. So we already know that our token call can write to file. So this is what opens it. So we get it. Refine JSON that loads data, authentication token, refine data, authentication, print auth token. Okay, so that's our authentication token, which works. That's all good. So then we have label. We create a label for it. But the point is that we now have this. So we opened our JSON object. We wrote the auth key to the authentication hotkey data folder. And it works. So in theory, if we create a function defined as set home, we could oh wait, hold on, this is going to be hard. So this creates the file. So this sets parameters, but what I need right now is I don't need any of that. Well, hold on, let's open up the API. Holy cow, I have so many tabs open. There we go. Okay, so we need the VTube Studio API. We need current model. Get all the parameters. So this is name, value, min max default value. What is all this? Model loaded true, parameters. I don't care about the parameters. I want the position, actually. So current model request is what I want. Okay. So we just slap this in here. Oops. And then we run parameters. So we have this data loaded model true. We have all this junk that we need to parse. How did we do that before? So we got this. Actually, we parsed it. We parsed that. Oh wait, we want this token request. Okay, so this will get us our token. And now how did we parse that? We parsed that by saying we wanted to. So JSON data equals await.receive. So we defined that variable. We printed that variable. We refined JSON loads.json data. And then authentication token equals refine data, which is the value. And then data is the big folder. Authentication token is the small value. So in theory, since we're just defining a few positions, we're just going to copy this, bring this over here to current model request. We're gonna do this. Because they just did receive. Okay, so JSON data. Okay, cool. So we got this. So this will print that data, and then we need to refine it, and we need to look for Data. Then we need model position. And then we want one more refine, which is position X. Oh, capital X. Okay, so this should give us hey, what's up, Macabre? How you doing? Yeah, this is in fact coding. We're working on our YouTube chat integration right now. Oh, why is my model so big? Let's see here. We don't need to wait that long. But how you doing today? It's kind of just a chill stream at the moment. So that's over here. So what if we move you over here? Okay, so this all works. This returns the proper token value. Excellent. Excellent. This is all working. Okay, so now we can get the exact thing that we need. We would just want to define this as we want this to be X position. Actually, I should probably make these tied together. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. So that shouldn't have broken anything. Nope. But now what we can do is we can go paste, paste, paste for the 4 parameters we need. We would just change this to Y. Wow, I can, holy cow. No, that is right. I can spell. So then we just go Y here. So now those match. And what I need is rotation and size. So now we want this to be rotation. This will be size. Rotation. Rotation. This will be size. And this will be size. Whoops. So this should now just go bop. Perfect. Oh, it's working. See, we're like a real programmer now. Okay. So we can now print all of this data. So we can just take this whole thing, because that's all we need. So this gets the data, but now we need to write it to a folder. So to do that, we already have the code for that somewhere. Thankfully, I don't have to look that up again. That's going to be in token call. We have all of this up. So we open the JSON file. In theory, we just copy paste this. Okay, well, first off, let's define a new function. Define set home. Or let's see, set reset. There we go. We need to async define set reset to, I have no idea why I do it this way, but it just works. Async with WebSockets dot connect URI as WebSocket. No, as WebSocket. Thank you. So now we will pass through this little chunk. We're not going to name it payload like we've done every other freaking time. This is going to be called set reset. Hold on. Reset data equals this. So this is going to be current, the position request, current model request. Okay, we got this. So this is going to be reset data. So we receive, we don't care about, well, we'll keep that in until we're sure it works. So we have all that. Let's go ahead and just add in another button down here. We have so many buttons. We're gonna have to format this soon. Set reset. It's gonna be set reset button. Set reset button. All right, let's run it and see what happens. Generate our authentication token, though we probably don't need to. Where is set reset? Why is it not on here? Oh, I didn't rename it. Gosh dang it. I always forget to name the actual button. Set reset. Okay. Did that. Set reset. Did nothing. Why did that do nothing? Excuse me? The flip button works. Oh, there's, I forgot to actually put in the line that calls the function. It's kind of important. That's funny. Okay, there we go. All right, let's try that again. We go center avatar. Okay, fine. You're gonna make me work for it. Center, please. Thank you. Set resets. X refine. Key error. Model position. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, did I copy the wrong parameter? No. No. Wait. Payload 4. What did I miss? Await dot JSON. Oh. One of these days, I swear I will actually remember all of this. We want to await our WebSocket data, but we want this to be payload because we have to authenticate first. And then we just want to await WebSocket dot receive. I believe that's what we want. Receive view. Oops. Receive. Okay. Now let's try it. Okay, generate that token one more time. I've generated so many tokens. Now set reset data, please. Got it. Okay. We just kept forgetting small pieces, but we got it there in the end. So we got our data, which means we don't need any of this. Well, like I said, we'll leave the print shenanigans in until we're sure that it's all working. So now we need this to write to our text file that we generate. So we're just gonna be lazy and go grab that code because we can. So now set reset is this. So we open our configuration file. We want the JSON object position X to equal that. We did name them the exact same things, right? Oh, I'm having second click. No, we didn't. Okay, we're gonna fix that right now. We're gonna name them the exact same things, because that way we'll stay consistent, and if I forget later, then we can come back and fix it later. So for now, we're just gonna comment this all out while we fix it. Okay, we're gonna close this. We're gonna obliterate the current configuration file. And then we're gonna run it again. All right, so we just generated a new token. If I open the config file, position X, position Y, rotation size. Perfect. We have everything as it should be in VTube Studio. So we're doing good. Okay. So we can go ahead and stop that. So now what we need to do is we can reopen all this. We want JSON object position X to equal X position. JSON objects. Whoops. Position Y to equal Y position. JSON object rotation to equal rotation, and then JSON object size to equal size. So now is the real test. If this works, this is awesome. Okay, so we have set that. We'll click set reset, which printed off everything. So now if I open up the configuration file, oh, we did it. Oh yeah, perfect. Let's go. Okay, so that writes the current position, size, and rotation to the correct location. Cool. So now we can do all that. Yeah. Okay. This is cool. Okay, so we have all of our commands in place. This writes that. So now we just need to read it. So for our reset button, we no longer want to do this. We want to open the JSON object. Why would I close it there? JSON object equals JSON.loadF. F equals open JSON object. Okay, whatever. This code might be garbage for, or garbled for right now, but it works. So we have this. We have set reset, which now works. We can clean up this code. Actually, we'll comment this out for now, because we don't need this in here. Then we're going to save because, you know, saving is good. So we have this. So now we for the reset button, we can define this as a payload. Let's just not use it for now. What we want to do is not send that. We want to send this data. So we want to send all of this data, but we want these to be in here. That's what we want. Now we could define them as global variables, but that seems not good. So why shouldn't you use global variables? Let's actually look that up, shall we? Because that seems like the easiest solution. Why you shouldn't use global variables. Why should we avoid using? Note that sometimes you just have to use a global variable. Before doing so, make sure you don't have any alternative. So what I would like to do is just have this set to, the easiest way would be to have it set as this. So we defined this up here. I guess we could just do this again. Except we would just have it reversed. Right? So if we put this down here, we'd want it before this. I think. Yeah. So we just have this run. This opens up our config file. We just want these positions reversed. Yeah, we literally just reverse it. Because now we have our JSON objects like this. So now we have those variables. So now we just do this as position X, position Y. Oh no, wait, hold on. Other way. X position, Y position, rotation, size. And then it still works all the same. So let's give it a shot. Okay, we're going to generate our token again. Okay, so now everything should be working. So we're going to move our guy over here. We're going to click the set reset button. Hopefully that worked. Now we're going to move him over here and push reset. Big, small, big, center. And then where's our reset button? I gotta organize these so they're actually like useful. Reset. Wow. That was awesome. So now let's see. Flip. Oh wait, right. I haven't attached it to the live stream yet. Whoops. All right, let's go ahead and attach it to the live stream. Okay, so now it's attached. Oops. Now we can spin. Now we can do reset. Easy. Oh, that was super easy. Okay, so that's way better than what we had. Go back to centering. What do I not? Okay, there you go. You can sit off in the corner there, buddy. Okay. Easy. Let's see. So I haven't gotten any word from family about when stuff is happening. So we're just going to keep going. Okay. Perfect. So all of this is now working. That is cool. That is really cool. And the GUI doesn't seem to be freezing anymore. So I think we fixed that problem. It's only an issue. Oh, and so that should solve this problem now too. So the reset button makes me go over there. But if I wanted to change it, you know, if I wanted this to be my regular, then I could set the reset again. And then we'll move him over here, make him smaller. And if we go reset. Awesome. Okay, that's actually super easy. That's not bad at all. Okay. Well, I think we're almost ready to hand it off to the public for some testing to see if it works for everyone else. Because if this sample version works, then we can give it to other people and have it work. No? Yeah, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. I just need to learn some Tkinter stuff to make it not look this meh. So right now, the Tkinter UI that I've got going just doesn't look great. So we want, where's TK? Is it even gonna show up? Yeah, there it is. There's our UI. So nothing real special. I need to make the buttons all uniform and in a nice little row, and then I can feel comfortable giving it to people. So, but we're doing good. We are doing good. All right, well, I think I'm going to call it there for now. Thanks to anyone who joined. I don't know if anyone actually did, but well, we have one guy. But yeah, thanks for joining. This has just been kind of a chill work on this